what's up guys, mates.com here, and today we are currently heading on our way to Erie International Airport to watch an American Airlines plane come into the airport and then take off. So I'll be seeing you guys there. Alright, the plane is now currently about to take off. Alright, here it comes. It's going. Whoa. No way. That looks pretty neat. So, it turns out it was a ERJ-145, which is this paper plane model I have. Well, if I hope you like this video, make sure you leave a like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you next time.